how's it working telling your kids what to do, as opposed to figuring out a way how to get them to choose to display a behavior? How's it working with your spouses telling them what to do? Okay, so what if we figure out a way how to get them to choose to display the behavior that we want? Because as humans, we don't like to be told what to do. Has anybody here ever quit smoking cigarettes? Okay, can I ask you a question? Okay. Before you ever quit smoking cigarettes, did you ever have somebody that told you you should quit smoking cigarettes? Okay. What did you immediately want to do the second that they said that to you? Okay, she's going like this. Okay, got it. Okay. Would you give me an idea of what general direction would you want to blow the cigarette smoke? By that smile, you would say, would you go like this? If they're right here, would you go this way? Would you go that way? Would you go any other way? Who in here, who else has stopped smoking cigarettes? And when somebody used to tell you you should quit smoking, you would want to light up immediately, and where would you want to go to smoke? You would? Okay. Anybody want to blow the smoke right in their face? Okay, so you're nice, and that's fine. Everybody's got a different response. Now, so you chose to quit smoking cigarettes. And why? Health reasons. Did somebody else tell you, or one day you just chose it?
Me and my doctor talked about options, and the best choice was to quit.
Okay.
So.
And then who chose? I'm sorry. And then who chose to quit?
Me.
And that's it. Once we choose something, then it becomes our thing. We become responsible for it. We take power.